Welcome to this tutorial on how to replay in TradingView, a powerful tool for backtesting and analyzing trading strategies. To start, open TradingView and navigate to the chart of the instrument you want to replay. Click on the replay button located at the top right corner of the chart. It looks like a play button. This will open the replay control panel where you can select the time frame and speed of the replay. Choose the time frame you want to replay by selecting the start and end dates. You can also select a specific time interval, such as 1 minute or 1 hour. Once you have selected your time frame, choose the speed of the replay. You can choose from several speeds, ranging from slow to fast. After setting up your replay, click on the play button to start the replay. The chart will begin to move in real time, allowing you to see how the price action unfolded. You can use the replay feature to backtest trading strategies, analyze market movements, and identify patterns. You can also use it to practice trading with fake money, allowing you to hone your skills without risking real capital. To get the most out of the replay feature, use it in conjunction with other TradingView tools, such as indicators and alerts. This will allow you to test and refine your trading strategies and make more informed trading decisions. By following these steps and using the replay feature effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of the markets and improve your trading skills. Remember to always use the replay feature in conjunction with other analysis tools, and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a skilled trader using the replay feature in TradingView. Start replaying today and take your trading to the next level.